Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Mr. Miracle again. Today we'll be dealing with trigonometric integrals. Now these are the basis for trigonometric substitution in integration. The first identity we are handling is sin²x plus cos²x equals 1. It is known in trigonometric identity. So this is the pathway to solving these questions. So how we solve this will come from this. Just watch what I'll do. Now, question 1 can be rewritten as integral cos²x cos⁵x dx. Okay? So if we do this, we can now form an identity from here. So let's use this other part of the board. Now recall, like I wrote it, that sin²x plus cos²x is equal to 1. From our integral, we have cos²x. So we want to make cos²x here the subject, meaning we are taking this to this side. Okay? So it is positive here. Once it goes that side, it becomes negative. So this is now cos²x is equals 1 minus sin²x. So this will be replaced for cos²x in the integral. So we say therefore the integral will now be 1 minus sin²x cos⁵x dx. Okay? So at this point, we say let u be equal to sin⁵x. This means if we differentiate this with respect to x, that's the u, the x, will be having cos⁵x rather. Then we can take the x this way to make the u the subject. So it means the u is equal to cos⁵x dx. So this also looks like this. So the u represents this. So we replace this with the u in the original integral. So this now becomes, remember we say that is sin⁵x, that is u. So this will now be 1 minus u squared because of the square du. Instead of cos⁵x dx, we replace it with the u. So now it's simple to integrate. This will be, if we integrate a constant term, we get a variable. Then if we integrate a variable, this will be minus u squared plus 1 all over 2 plus 1 plus c. So this is going to give us u minus u cube all over 3 plus c. Remember what u is, sine. So it means this is equal to the sin⁵x minus sin³x all over 3 plus c. This is our answer. Straightforward and simple. So if you have any question, you can ask that on the comment section below, or you can check my description for other videos that explains this from the preamble. You can see here I'm still being elementary. I didn't move straight forward to say if you integrate this you get cube over 3. I'm still being elementary. So that is what we will be doing for question number 2. Question number 2 will be a bit longer. Okay, question number 2. We have integral cos⁵x dx. This should give us integral cos⁴x dx. This also, sorry. It should be cos⁵x dx since we shifted 1. So this also can be integral cos²x or raised to the power of 2 cos⁵x dx. So finally, we are settled here, so we can manipulate it now. Using this again, we say that sin²x plus cos²x is equal to 1. Okay? So if this is the case, we are taking sine this way. That's making cos²x the subject. So cos²x is equal to 1 minus sin²x. So we are replacing this for cos²x in this integral. So this gives us now, instead of cos²x, we have 1 minus sin²x all squared cos⁵x dx. We bring in substitution now and say let u be equal to what? sin⁵x. This means du dx is equal to cos⁵x, which also means that the u is equal to cos⁵x dx. So we replace this with the u here. So this will be equal to integral 1 minus u squared all squared. Instead of cos dx is the u. So this, according to algebraic expansion, can also be written as 1 minus u squared into 1 minus u squared. So we expand the bracket. I'm going to use one to expand the other by saying 1 into 1 minus u squared minus u squared into 1 minus u squared. The reason I'm doing this by the side is because I don't want to make my integration bulky. So if I multiply this, it will expand the bracket. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 1 times minus u is minus u squared. Minus u squared times 1 is minus u squared. Minus times minus is plus. U squared times u squared is u power 4. So these are like terms. The coefficient here is 1 and here is 1. So if we say minus 1, we have that minus 1 minus 2 u squared plus 4 plus u power 4. So this is what we are going to be integrating. Say therefore the integral of 1 minus 2u squared plus 1 minus 2u squared plus u power 4 du. So if we integrate this is a constant term, it becomes u minus 2u. This is going to increase by 1 and have a denominator of the power. So this is 3 all over 3 plus the same thing will happen here, u power 5 all over 5. But u is what? Sin⁵x. So this is going to be sin⁵x minus 2 over 3 sin³ plus 1 over 5 sin power 5x. So this is our answer. So please, if this is your first time of seeing my content online, subscribe, hit the like button so as YouTube can actually make the video go viral for others to see. Sincerely, if you're having challenges with this, you can drop your comments and we'll see how we can reach you and help you out. Take care. Bye-bye.